Hey gamers, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be looking on here and I'm going to be looking at some water slimes that we find. This is not water slime, but I really want that. But it's from eBay. Crystal clear. So like here, so this is a water slime, Timu, and Timu. So all of these here are water slimes. Water slime. I really like that. What do I just do? I think that's a water slime. Watercolor slime. Guys, should I get this? I don't know, but should I? From Mr. Toy World. I'm gonna find that. So, yeah. That one's like really pretty. Nickelodeon. I really like that. It's like 77. Oh my god. Chris Moon Water. That one's like technically water slime. Like, technically, I don't know. So I really like this fake water, and I really like these ones. Transparent slime. Perfect for beginners. But none of them are like water. So I tried to make water slime, but it did not work at all. So sorry, but I don't recommend making those. So tomorrow I'm gonna try and find some slimes. Clay, guys, it's clay. It's clay. 140. Gee, that's like a lot of money. That's really good. Guys, it's water slime. I don't care what it looks like. I just want water slime. Ooh, fruit slime kit. That's water slime, but I don't like the color. Guys, I've actually made mud slime before. And it made sense. I'm actually going to do it in one of my videos if you guys want to. So not ready yet. Not yet. I like that. Blue Ocean, somebody's selling that. Make mud slime. Guys, I can actually make mud slime. I'll actually do a video of that. Yeah, I'll do a video. I don't know. See? Oh, wait, what? Whatever. Everybody's doing mud slimes. I don't know, but I think I might do it myself. Yeah. I love all of those charms right there. This one. Can't zoom in. Really annoying. Guys, it's Blackpink slime. I'm putting make mud pumpkin slime. So that's all we can find, guys. I hope you enjoyed this channel, and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.